Sorry I haven't been making videos, but my channel is supposed to be about riding e-bikes and having fun, and well, you can't do that when it's really cold, especially when you're 50 plus. Rain. I live in Golden Valley. I don't know if you folks know what caliche is, but that's what the soil here turns into. Uh, so I haven't been able to do any writing, and I didn't know if anybody was interested in anything else I was doing. So I will show you bits and pieces what I've been up to, and now that the weather's warming up. I have removed the tires off of my bike. It's an e-bike, a Hurley, and these are the street tires. I am getting no tractor in the dirt, and so I'm going with dirt knobbies. Okay, here's my knobbies. And I am really hoping this will improve my traction. And yes, I know this is a street bike and not meant for the dirt or road, but guess what? I'm going to turn it into a boondocking e-bike. That means anything I need to go on it is going to go on it. Kind of trapped here right now, but it can't last forever, and it's a dream to be on the road. And here's my rig, and I am thinking about calling it Littlefoot. You know, like instead of Bigfoot, Littlefoot. It's my tiny, itty bitty tiny home. Yay! And check out the decoration. That's all me. Yay!